Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Christina. If you're new here, thanks for clicking on my video and watching today's video. I can't believe it's fall. As soon as September 1st hit, all of the fall things started coming out. How cute is this Hello Kitty little tumbler? One of my girlfriends got me this. This is so cute. Super adorable. Anyways, and then I also got this little pumpkin My Melody squishmallow. She is so cute. Super cute. But the point of today's video is to unbox the viral Coach bag. She is here. People have been going crazy to get their hands on this bag, and I have her. I'm a little late to the game, but I haven't seen her in person. I've been homebound for my foot. If you remember my last video, yeah, so now I'm homebound. No more going out and looking at bags in stores. I have to look online. So this is going to be a true first impression because I've never seen this bag before. So today's video is an unboxing of the Coach Brooklyn Bag 28. Yes, I don't play. I even got Ghost on my phone. As soon as September 1st hit, that was it. So I got the Brooklyn Shoulder Bag 28 in the color Dark Stone. Since that's what you guys came to see, let's get to opening her up. The box is a lot smaller than I was expecting it to be for such a big bag. So this kind of tells me that it didn't come with a gift box, and I'm a little disappointed because I wanted the full unboxing effect, but that's okay. Maybe next time, right? Ooh. So it at least came nicely wrapped. With a little love note from Coach. Thank you for shopping at Coach. Anyways, this is what we are here to see. Wait. This box is huge. Whew. That was a lot of work. The bag is in here sideways. This bag is huge. I got the medium-sized bag. There is a really small shoulder bag. I think it's like the 28. And then I got the, oh, this is the 28. There is a smaller one. I'm going to go ahead and put it right here. The smallest Brooklyn bag. I got the medium-sized one, and then there's one that's like huge, like me being 5 feet, that bag would consume me. All right, so here's my first look at the Brooklyn shoulder bag. I'm living for this color. I got it in the stone, the dark stone. Oh, wow. you know.
It makes me wonder what happened here.
For the price of this bag, they could have done better. I feel like this should have been a metal clamp in, if you know what I mean. This is printed onto the bag. This bag is too expensive to just be printed on. My fear is that this is going to, at some point, fade away. I have other Coach bags where this faded away, so I feel like they could have done better on that. They could have done better. I'm just saying. Without further ado, let's look at the rest of the bag. Let's get you guys turned over this way so you guys can see the full unboxing of the Brooklyn shoulder bag. And we're gonna talk about this. So I don't know where to start. I feel like the packaging on this is mid, but it's the inside that counts. The leather on this is pretty soft. I do like the way this feels. Give you guys an up close look.
The Brooklyn Shoulder Bag 28 is 11 inches in length, 11 inches in height, and has a 3.75-inch
The materials
width.
used for this bag are natural green leather, and this bag is dyed in the color dark stone. There are a few brass pieces for hardware as well. For size references, you may be able to fit a 10-inch iPad, but you can definitely fit an iPad mini.
I'm going to go ahead and take everything out. And here we have the bag in its full slouchy effect. She's very slouchy, and I think that's why people like her so much. And she has sort of that karate chop right in the middle that's like very trendy right now. So this is how the bag would look worn. And this is the inside of the bag. The inside of the bag is just a raw suede. Now, to me, I feel like this is not the same Coach from like back in the days. I feel like this bag is very, very thin. Back in the days, Coach would give you a very nice, thick bag, and the inside material would be very thick. This is very thin, and it's unfinished on the inside, but it's painted. The inside of the bag is painted, and I'm worried that over time the suede would start to pill. But it is very spacious. The inside is one large hole. It does come with a, it's kind of hard to show you. Let me move closer because it's a little hard to show you because this shoulder strap does not move. So the inner part of the bag, damn, that was scary. So the inner part of the bag does have a flap compartment right here. The inner part of the bag does have a flap compartment right here, and it's about mid-hand deep, so it comes up to about here. So just enough to hold maybe a card case. And then the bag does have a magnetic closure right in the middle. The magnetic closure, I would say, is a nice quality. Overall, the bag is pretty, but let's talk about this. For a bag that is averaging in the price of around $300 and going upwards of $500, I do not see the hype. This is very mid. Once this, which it will eventually fade off, girl, it wouldn't matter if you got this from Shein or where you got it from. This is very mid. This looks like something I could find in Target, I feel. It feels nice, don't get me wrong. The outside material feels nice, but they could have done a better job with the inner material. I mean, come on, for the price. I don't know if I'm loving it. The color, don't get me wrong, the color is gorgeous. I just feel like they could have done a little bit more right here and on the inner material. So that's my first impressions, final thoughts for this bag, and my unboxing of the Coach Brooklyn 28. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and subscribe down below, leave a like, and also comment what you like about the Brooklyn shoulder bag or what you don't like about it. And stay tuned for the next video. Bye!